Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Have you gotten some gift bags? Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. I truly appreciate it. Y'all, we have been working with gift bags and we've been making some really cool projects. We've made this beautiful box from a gift bag, as well as a paper purse from a gift bag. Both of these are from the same gift bag trio. And these two over here are from the same gift bag trio. And the gift bags that I purchased came in what I would consider to be a medium, a large, and a jumbo. So here is the jumbo bag that went with these two. This was a set of 3. I got them for $1.69 at Tuesday Morning. But like I said, guys, you can find beautiful gift bags anywhere. And then this is the jumbo bag from this set. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. This is what caught my eye when I was in Tuesday Morning and I saw the gift bags. So this bag here is the reason why I bought the gift bags. So from the first 2 gift bag sizes, we were able to make this. And I'm going to save this one because I haven't decided what to do with it yet. But with this one, we're actually just going to create something really cute to go on the inside of one of our bags or our box. That way, if you do buy a trio, you'll be able to make a nice little coordinated set to go along with it. So I haven't done anything to this bag yet. Whatever I do to it, we're going to do it together. I'm going to flip to my overhead camera and I'll give you a closer look at this bag. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at my bag. When finished, this bag is 18 by 18 by 8 inches deep. So this is a very large bag. I know they make them larger, but this was the largest size bag that they had at Tuesday Morning. And I think for me, this is the largest size bag that I've ever purchased. So we're going to do a very quick project. I am not going to take up a whole bunch of your time today. I just want to give you an idea on ways that you can actually use a coordinated set of bags to get a coordinated look. So I am just taking out the handles. And then, y'all, I'm going to break a few hearts by deconstructing this beautiful bag. And I'm going to get all types of comments. Why in the world would you tear apart a perfectly good bag? Well, because that's what I do. And those of you who have been with me for a while, y'all know that's pretty much what I do. And so, y'all, now what I have is I have some gorgeous paper. I have all of this to play with. I am going to go ahead and remove the bottom because I don't need it and it's in my way. So I am just going to go ahead and cut this off here at the bottom. And then while I'm at it, I'm just going to go ahead and cut through one of the panels because we only need 1/2 of this bag. Probably don't even need the whole 1/2. But y'all know that I'm going to save that bag. So here I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece. We definitely won't throw it away, but I'm just getting it out of the way. So when you see a bag in the store, don't be afraid to go ahead and purchase that bag and use it for paper. Y'all, I do things like that all the time. I will see something that's meant for something else. I'll take it, buy it, and take it apart, and then I have some beautiful, inexpensive paper. And so, like I said, we're going to just do something very simple. I am going to take this journal, and we're going to cover it, front and back. And that way, we'll have a beautiful gift to put in one of our little bags. I am only putting it on the front and on the back. And a lot of you have seen me do journal covering on the channel, a lot. And some of you haven't, but all I do is I take my double stick tape and put it down. And then I'm going to take a thin piece of tape and just place it on the edge so that we can make sure that we have edge to edge stick on this. Let's go ahead and peel. You can use a bigger book if you want. I think this is the perfect size for what it is I want to do. So I'm just going to take this book, place it down on the end like that. And then I'm just going to trim out the excess. And now I can turn that over. And the journal was already nice, but now it's nicer. Y'all, look at how pretty that is. Very, very easy to do to get that coordinated look with journals that you might be making. So I'm going to take some more tape, place that tape right there on the edge. Peel away the tape backer. Take this part of the book and we just line it up as best we can. And now I can trim away this excess. And y'all, there is my sweet little book. I'm going to find a decorative element for the front as well as something for the inside, and we are done. All right, y'all, so what I've decided to do is just to take a cut apart and put it on the front. Keep it very simple and keep the front relatively flat so that when you open it to write on it, you don't really have to worry about trying to write over a humpy part. So I am just adding some tape to the back. We're going to place that right there. And my cut apart is 3 by 4, and I used a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 inch background mat to cover it. So I am just going to add some tape. We're going to take this one and place it right there, y'all. Super, super simple. Then I'm going to open my book and I'm going to take this little piece and place it right there. So I have added some tape to the back. Let's go ahead and place that right there. And then what I'm thinking, y'all, is that I want to somehow take that ribbon that we cut out and insert it in the book so that we'll have a marker for the book. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my piercer and pierce a little hole just like that. So now I can take this and feed it through the hole like that, and we'll just pull it around to the back. Nothing wrong with that. And so now we have this nice little marker piece. I am going to trim just a little bit Then I'm going to put some heat on the end. Just get close to it so that it can melt the fibers and stop any fraying. And y'all, I still have quite a bit of this paper left. I can make so many different things. So let's say you're having a luncheon and you wanted to make something like this for the ladies who are coming by, or a bridal shower or a birthday party, and you want to give favors to your friends. And this would be a great little something to give to someone, because now you have this nice little journal that you can write your notes in, and you have a page marker. And so if you need a reminder of where you left off, there you go. Easy peasy way to take that jumbo gift bag and use it as decorative paper in our crafting, so that we can make some coordinated favors or gifts to go along with those beautiful purses that we might be making, or those beautiful boxes that we might be making from gift bags. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this super simple craft, and I hope that you have enjoyed what we've done with gift bags. If you have liked this project, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. You are welcome. I want you here, so go ahead, subscribe. As always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.